Alright, I'm going to show you how to update your Rails project on a Site5 hosting server without using Subversion. This comes in handy for quick and dirty projects. Sneakaboo.com is one of those. It's a site I created for my kids. It's just a little fun game site. So we're going to go ahead. The first thing we're going to do is back up our database, which in this case is MySQL. Sneakdev is my username. I'll specify a password at the prompt. And sneakdev is my database as well. And we're going to pipe that out to a creative file name. So there we go. There's our directory structure with our sneak file. We're going to back out. Here's our directory structure, a few other projects I have going on. We will go ahead and tar this up into one file. And I have Rails 2.0 frozen in there. That's why it's so large. I did that because my server on Site5 does not have 2.0 yet. So we're going to go ahead and copy that up. Alright, now that that's up, we're going to go ahead and get in there ourselves. There's our directory structure. Now this is very important. We need to back up, or actually just move, our current project directory. Oop, let's try that again. Alright, and now we are going to unzip or extract Oops again. There we go. Okay, so we've extracted everything. We're going to go ahead and go into our project directory now. And there's our familiar structure. Now we are going to copy our database. And I am bypassing Rails migrations just because I had some example files or example records that I was creating while I was developing, and I want to keep those. So I'm just skipping migrations altogether, which is something that I guess you would probably do quite a bit if you're just doing this quick and dirty kind of approach. So now that we've got that taken care of, we're going to go ahead and correct the permissions on our directory, our public directory, because that will be an issue on Site5 if you don't do that. Now we're going to go ahead and try to run our dispatch file. Let's go ahead and go in there. Alright. Oh, oops. Yeah, that is the correct error we need. This error is telling you that you don't have the interpreter at that location. So we're going to go ahead and go in there. And they don't have user local bin Ruby. They just have user bin Ruby, at least on my server. So we will correct that in all three relevant files. So user bin Ruby. Those are the only three places you have to do that. So now we're going to go ahead and try and run it again. And it's going to fail. It's going to fail because, if we back out of here, oops. It's going to fail because this socket file does not exist. This is local to my system, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. There we go, and I didn't show you that change because then it would have shown you the password that I have specified. But we will go ahead and take a peek, and I've changed the socket to what Site5 uses. So I don't know if that's just a Ubuntu thing that mine comes out that way or what, but it's just an idiosyncrasy. So now we're going to go ahead and run our file again, and we still have an error. So I will go in and check that file again. Alright, so I went ahead and corrected a different glitch that I had in the database.yaml file. And we're going to go ahead and run this again. And we get some successful output. So we're going to go ahead and switch over. This is the old site. And this is the moment of truth. Our new and improved Sneaky Boo site, complete with our cheesy alpha to logo GIMP scripted logo. So you look at a picture, you guess what it is, you click it, and you see if it's right. Maybe not much fun for a 30-year-old, but for 5-year-olds it seems to be a big hit. Thank you very much.